Hi friends, today we talk about best natural eat for lunch healthy lunch recipes benefits. A healthful diet includes a variety of fruits and vegetables of many colors, whole grains and starches, good fats, and lean proteins. Food gives us our energy. Eating a nutrient-packed lunch helps us avoid a mid-afternoon crash. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods, food and beauty tips, healthy recipes and juice, please subscribe to our channel. Skipping lunch leaves us starving by the time we get home from work or running errands. This leads to binge eating or the temptation to hit the drive-thru. Taking time out of your busy day to eat lunch with a friend or co-worker helps you refresh and relationship build, two things that are great for our spirits. Preparing your food at home can be especially beneficial if you or a family member has a food allergy. Because you are in control in your own kitchen, you can reduce the risk of an allergic reaction. Control portion. Many restaurants and fast food joints offer portions that are much larger than necessary. And the problem is, when food is in front of you, chances are you'll eat it. When you're dining, you can regulate the amount of food served for dinner, eliminating unnecessary temptation. Good nights to sleep. A variety of factors, including sleep apnea, can disrupt sleep patterns. Gut health improved. The colon is full of naturally occurring bacteria, which play important roles in metabolism and digestion. Certain strains of bacteria also produce vitamins K and B, which benefit the colon. These strains also help to fight harmful bacteria and viruses. Bones and teeth. Very strong. A diet with adequate calcium and magnesium is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Keeping the bones healthy is vital in preventing osteoporosis and osteoarthritis later in life. Prevent obesity. Healthy options, such as high-fiber foods, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes and low-fat dairy products, will fill up your child and keep him full longer. This can prevent unwanted weight gain and chronic health conditions. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great and healthy day. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods, food and beauty tips, healthy recipes and juice, please subscribe to our channel. Please like, comment and share your friends.